Hi, my name is Erica Willette, and I'm doing my third speech on recycling. Recycling is very important for us to do, and we need to protect our world around us and save our environment from harmful elements. Have you given any thought to the amount of energy that you waste every single day? There's too much waste being produced, and we are running out of space on Earth to dispose of it, and we are contaminating the environment around us. Running out of room on Earth to dispose of our waste is just the beginning of the issues that we have to deal with. And there are many other issues that we must consider as a necessary reason why we need to start recycling. Increasing environmental issues is a problem that affects everyone. And reasons why we need to start recycling is, number one, we can reduce global warming by recycling. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that is a major contributor to global warming. Manufacturing certain products releases a lot more carbon dioxide than recycling them would, and also manufacturing new aluminum goods produces 95% more carbon dioxide than recycling old aluminum goods. Recycling can also prevent air pollution. Factories and industries manufacturing items made from plastic and metals release large amounts of toxic gases. If you do not recycle these objects, then we have to set up new industries to manufacture these goods, which lead us to even more air pollution. Recycling can prevent water pollution. Wastes that are disposed in landfills are not treated. Contaminants from products in landfills seep down to lower levels of the soil where they reach groundwater and pollute it. But besides polluting groundwater, scarcity of landfills and overwhelming amounts of waste that we produce has left us with no choice but to dump our waste in oceans and seas. We can prevent negative things from happening to our environment if we all just recycle. You can help your environment by starting to recycle in your own home. The first step in recycling is starting to realize there is no such place as a way. When you are throwing something away, it is not being thrown away. It is actually going somewhere to pollute our environment. You can also purchase a number of tough plastic bins so you can sort out your recyclable material. You can reuse any item that can be reused. If you can't recycle it, then give it to someone who can use it, or a charity, or find someone who can use it. Find out what kind of materials your local recycling center accepts. Also, dispose of chemicals such as paints, cleaners, oils, batteries, and pesticides that waste materials cannot be simply disposed of by pouring them down the drain, on the ground, into storm sewers, or putting them out with the trash. There are many more ways that you can start recycling in your home, and most local councils provide printed information or websites that detail how and what you should recycle. The environment in which we live in does everything for us. It provides us with everything we need to live, and the least we can do is help our environment. Each and every one of us affects the environment in which we live. The biggest, most powerful changes in lie in the habits and attitudes of ordinary people. If we want to save our world, we must all act now, and we must all act together. We need to all do something about our environment, because if we don't, negative things will happen. Negative environment changes are occurring around us, and we need to do something about it. Contamination contributes to global warming, climate changes, and it affects wildlife and crops. It also produces dangerous imbalances in natural ecosystems. We need to start recycling. We need to urge public officials that something needs to be done about this, and we also need to educate those around us about the importance of recycling.